Hi everyone, welcome to the Creative Sound Lab workshop. A space where you can release stress, build new skills, and leave a legacy through music creation. During the workshop, we will guide you how to express your true feelings. Turn them into beautiful music, and preserve them as a legacy. Either on a CD, or by sharing your work on digital music platforms. You will also explore Canva as a design tool to create a simple album cover. Explore a music generation platform, www.lagguku.jp. To create original music, you will also learn how to write an effective prompt for AI music generation. And finally, you will explore how to upload your music to digital music platforms. By the end of the workshop, you will experience how negative feelings can be transformed into something positive and meaningful. You will discover a wide range of tools that can elevate your productivity and expand the way you work. Through hands-on practice in crafting prompts with lagguku.jp, you will unlock new creative possibilities and begin creating outcomes that once existed only in your imagination. Let's start from the creative side and move step by step until your music is ready for distribution. First, please make sure you have the following websites open in your browser tabs: lagguku.jp, canva.com, rootnote.com, and cloudconvert.com. We have already provided you with the user ID and password for each platform, so please use those credentials to access the platforms during the workshop. Oh, don't forget to also have a notepad or Word to help you write the prompt later. Now, we are ready to start creating music. Since we'll be using AI for music generation, let's begin by practicing how to write a prompt. The easiest place to start is with your feelings. Are you feeling calm, frustrated, tired, or happy? Perhaps you're feeling positive and would like to share that energy with others. Whatever you're feeling right now, simply type it in. This will be your starting point, your original prompt. Once you've decided on your prompt, simply copy it. Then, create a new track in lagguku.jp. Choose the producer room, enter your track title, and paste your prompt into the prompt field. You can also select the duration of your music. When you're ready, click Generate and see how your feelings turn into music. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always refine your prompt by adding more instructions. Let's hear the result. Nice, but if you want to be more perfect, you can also add information such as your preference genre. You can also add the tempo and what instrument you want to add in your music. To give a better instruction to Lagguku, you can also inform it how you want to use your music. And if you want it to be instrumental music only, you can also detail it in your prompt. Now, let's listen to your music creation. Click the Generate button and wait for a moment. It won't take long, though the time may vary depending on your internet connection. In most cases, Lagguku will generate your music in less than 1 minute. The track is ready, let's listen. Is it good enough for you? Remember, you can always listen to your track again from this menu. If you'd like to use it as background music, simply download the file and add it to your project. You can also view the prompt you created, along with the timestamp of when the music was generated. Only you can see this prompt. So whatever emotions you put into it remain private. If you're curious about sound and want a fresh way to reset your mind, take a moment to explore this. Now imagine creating a sound like this on your own. By the way, have you heard about monaural music? It refers to audio that is delivered through a single channel. Because it's simple and consistent, it's easier for the brain to process and works. Research shows that simple music can help improve focus, reduce stress, and support a calm and productive mental state during work. The music you've just heard is isochronic tones. Research in neuroscience describes them as a form of auditory stimulation that may support brainwave synchronization. When used appropriately, isochronic tones can help support focus and sustained attention. Now that we've explored monaural sound and isochronic tones, let's try creating one on your own using lagguku. When writing your prompt, simply state the type of sound you want to create: monaural or isochronic. Then give it a tempo that you want. If you'd like more control, you can also include technical details, such as the specific frequency you want to use in your music. Be specific on what instrument you want to add in. Then add the mood or purpose. There's no need to make it perfect. Start simple, experiment, and let the sound evolve with you. You might be surprised by what you discover when you allow yourself to explore sound in a new way. Are you curious about the result of your prompt? Let's take a moment and listen. Before you click generate, make sure you've set the duration of your music. You can choose the length that feels right for you, or simply leave it at the default 30 seconds if you'd like to start small. Once everything looks ready, go ahead and click generate, and allow lagguku to interpret your prompt. This is the moment where your ideas, your feelings, and your instructions are transformed into sound. Take a moment and simply listen. Now imagine having something like this with you during a quiet lunch break or in the few minutes before you fall asleep. Notice how the sound gently slows you down, how it invites your body to relax and your mind to settle. What's powerful is that this isn't just music you found somewhere. This is something you created, shaped by your thoughts, your feelings, and your intention. Whenever you feel the need to reset, focus, or unwind, you can always return to lagguku. Experiment with your prompts, and create new sounds that support how you want to feel in that moment. Next, let's have some fun and create a cool album cover for your song.